Oh, listen to that rattle. What's up, bros? Out here, Ryan. Working on the old SS today. We got this lowering kit, all new suspension, U-joints. I think that's it. Control arms, yeah, all that bullshit. So we're about to put that on, lower it a few inches, and maybe do the brakes and wheel bearings, but that might be tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna get to work.
We'll see.
Be a couple day process, I'm sure. Alright, so we got new thicker sway bars, bushings, all the hardware, instructions here, and we got all this crusty shit in here. Oh my god, look how crusty that is. That's brand new too. Alright, we're back from Lowe's. We got all these for the impact, all kinds of sizes. So now we're not ill-equipped. Oh yeah, we went to AutoZone. We got a puller and a, what was the other one?
Torsion bar unloading tool.
That thing. So now we're about to fuck on old Blue.
Oh yeah.
We're trying to get some penetrating lube in there. It's got about 220K, so it's probably all original and rusty as shit. I'll go through and do the other side when you're done.
The big guy.
5 hours in, still on driver front.
Oh my god.
Just gotta document it.
Now have proper tools and some understanding.
Second side will be cake, watch.
Well, yeah, and also, like, again, we don't have to go to the store and get fucking impacts and shit. Told you
We already had Silver Daddies. I have a thingy over there.
Oh, you got it quicker. Fuck yeah. That's old school shit.
Oh god, that shifter done got me right in the shin. Oh, you son of a bitch.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're back at it with the fire again. You can't beat it, light it on fire. We're having a problem getting the upper control arm here separated. It's all loose and shit, but it just doesn't want to pop off, so I'm trying to get that. Alright, using a little leverage. Oh. We're still on the same side we started on, guys. Oh yeah, Daddy. Oh, you're off the ground. Oh man.
Just crack my back.
Oh fuck! God, are you alright, dog?
Yeah, Oh, my shit on all the tools.
Holy shit.
Woo!
Boy.
Thought she was big. She was fat.
You gotta use some of that weight, boy. Lowered her. Oh, she popped right on out. Ooh. A little bit of fire.
She popped right on out.
A little bit of banging for a couple hours.
Ooh, you know I'll be banging it hot.
In there, boy. Alright. Oh, yep. See, now we can probably get the broken.
Right.
Now, she ain't moving that much, though.
No.
We'll have to lube her up. Yeah, so this is definitely going to be probably like a couple segment video. We're not getting much done today. So tune into the next one and we might get the front done.
Doing her best.
Do what now?
So that both the front and the rear bushings aren't linked.
Oh, I got you. So we can't get either of these out. Snap the bolt on this side. They flex, but the bolts will not budge. We're beating on them. Heat, everything. Does not matter. So we're trying to figure out what to do. Might have to cut them right down the middle or something.
Don't know.
These are definitely original. I would say.
Oh shit.
We're gonna try and figure this out. Don't know if we'll get this done tonight. Probably gonna call it soon and come back tomorrow. So, all right, we're gonna go back to our leverage method.
See if these will move.
Well, that pipe will probably slide over that if you can get it on there good. We're going back to fire again. I feel like it's I feel like that side's loosening up.
That's
for
why
sure.
I know. That's why I wanted to work on this one a little.
Oh yeah, the right side's definitely making some progress. Brr. Alright, so we're about 5 or 6 hours in. Still working on this front driver's side.
Gotta love Chevy.
Coming back tomorrow. Hopefully get her out then. We're gonna lube and beat and lube and beat. Whatever.
Gotta be dude.
Might have to do some cutting, but
Whatever gotta be dude.
fuck this truck, we're leaving. Let's get in there, boy.